Hello, my favorite carboholics. It's Sunday, which means I get to eat pasta. So I'm gonna show you a trick on how, pasta has flour in it. So it's sort of like bread. So it's in my bailiwick. This is the flour we're using today. It's a 00 flour. And it's hard to find in the local grocery stores, especially the smaller ones. But it's got 00 on it here. It's what we use to make pizza and pasta. And it's easier than you think. Watch. I'm gonna take 2 cups of 00 flour and add it to my food processor. And I'm gonna take 3 eggs. Now break these on a flat surface, like a counter or whatever else, but don't break it on a surface like that, because you push the shell up into the egg itself, and there's more of a chance of you getting eggshells in whatever you're making. So there's 3 eggs. Put that there. Let's get this off. Clean that off. This is not the most expensive food processor in the world, and it's really not designed to do this. But what the heck? So you know what I need? I need a pinch of salt, and it should be sea salt, flaky sea salt. And all you need is a good pinch. That's it, not too much. I would say 1/8 of a teaspoon. It's really all you need. All right, and then just pulse it. One thing you don't want to do with this flour is to overwork it. All right, that's all I'm going to do with that. This is supposed to scrape down stuff off the side, but you see how well that worked. Okay, put that guy out of the way, and just pour this out. And it's as simple as that. This is going to be a very stiff and tough dough, but you just saved yourself a good 10-15 minutes with that food processor. I'm going to put it in this Ziploc bag and seal it. Now, this dough will dry out quickly, so you need to make sure you seal it. And then get it out of your way, and time to clean up until that's rested for about an hour. All right, so this has had a chance to sit and relax. And now, let's put that there. It's more pliable, it's more supple than it was. Let's cut this into 4 even eyeball pieces. So the amount of dough we made today, the 2 cups, is enough for 4 people. And I've cut these into 4 pieces. So it's just, if you want to know, if you've got a party of 6 coming over, you might want to double this recipe.